In our busy lives, we often look to the future. The more we try to grasp tomorrow, the more anxious we become. The more we try to change our destiny, the more overwhelmed we feel. But the Tao tells us, what truly changes the future is what you are doing today. Life is not about competing with the world, but about getting along with yourself. If you can't even grasp the present, what future can you expect? Lao Tzu said, because one does not contend, therefore no one can contend with him. The Tao is not about winning, nor about running fast, but about focusing on every step you take. If you walk steadily today, you will naturally go far tomorrow. You are anxious because you want to solve all problems at once and see results today. But the wisdom of the Taoist, flowers bloom slowly, rain falls slowly, and people grow slowly. When you exhaust yourself chasing the future, you neglect what truly makes you stronger, the accumulation of every moment in the present. The future is not something you seize. The future is built inch by inch, day by day. Many people feel they lack confidence, but it's not a lack of confidence, but rather a lack of belief that the small things you do today will change your destiny. You read 10 more pages today, and you think it's useless. You practice for an hour today, and you feel no change. But true confidence comes from action. Persistence allows you to see your own strengths. Accumulation allows you to believe in your future. Taoism emphasizes following the natural way. Nature is not about being random, but about accumulating gradually. Flowing water can wear away stone, not by force, but by persistence. You don't need to be powerful, you just need to improve a little every day, and confidence will grow from your actions. Too many people want to succeed quickly, wanting to prove themselves. But the more anxious they are, the more chaotic things become. And the more chaotic, the more they doubt themselves. But the Tao tells us, stillness is strength. Bamboo spends 4 years growing its roots, and only 1 year to shoot towards the sky. Do you think it's slow? No, it's just silently accumulating its foundation. True confidence is not about showing off, but a kind of calmness. No matter how fast others run, you are not flustered, because you know you are laying down roots. You worry about the future because you've forgotten what you can do today. You fear failure because you haven't seen how far you already come. Ask yourself, can I do well today? Can I do better than yesterday? If the answer is yes, then do I need to worry about the future? Taoism doesn't teach you to escape the future, but rather to prevent the future from overwhelming you. As long as you do your best today, the future will naturally provide the answers. A person's best state is not perfection, but rather groundedness. Not rushing to prove oneself, but quietly accumulating experience. Turn your attention back to yourself, back to this moment. Say to yourself, I don't need to become strong immediately, but I will always be on the path. Focus on today, and have enough confidence in yourself. The answers to life begin to become clear from this moment.